manufacturers, are you looking for an easy way to seal those products for resale and distribution? Then investing in a sealing machine from Silvie's Industrial Solutions is going to be one of the best decisions you've ever made. So today I'm actually going to take you through the entire unboxing and using of this item process. Of course, here at Silvie's we have variety in sealing machine. As you can see, I have actually 3 sizes here, the small, medium and large, and all 3 of them are actually going to be working with 110 volt. Now the beauty about these sealing machines and why you must invest in one today is that it's absolutely easy to operate and it gets your job done within seconds. So I actually have here today the FR200 model, which is the smallest of the line in sealing machines that we have. So as you can see the box here, when you purchase, you're going to get it with a little plastic seal over it for extra protection. And to just give you a little idea about the specs, we have here the model, of course, is FR200. It's 110 volt, 60 hertz. The sealing length is 200 mm max. The sealing thickness is 0.6 mm max. And the sealing width is 2.5 mm max. So let me go ahead and open the box. So once we get off the seal, we're going to open up the box, and inside of the box, the first thing you're probably going to come across is the operation manual, and it's going to have some of the basic details that you need, the description of the main parts, your operation, and then there are some specs at the back based on the type of model that you would have purchased. So you get the manual inside of your sealing machine box, and then you get an extra element kit, and it's the spare part kit for impulse sealer 200 mm. It says here you get 2 Teflon fabric strips and 2 heating elements. So that comes inside of the box, and then we take out the actual product. So as you can see, for safety and to ensure your item is in place, it comes with the styrofoam lock. And what I like especially about it, because it's a press down type of product, it comes with also a lock over here. So you'd have to actually remove the lock to be able to operate it. So this is what it looks like once it comes out of the box. The power cord is at the back here. So I'm going to loosen that out, and then it's, as I mentioned before, simple to use. As you can see here, this is just the basic control panel. To take your heat up on the items, you start at 1 and you have the option to go all the way up to 8. So let's plug this in and so we've just plugged it in, and I have one of the most common things that people actually use when they're packaging items, and that's the white bag. So I have some white bags here, and I'm going to put some bolts inside and see how best we actually seal this off today. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, you have the option to regulate your heat on your sealing machine. For me, between the ranges of 2 to 1 is actually pretty good. Now the impulse light here is actually going to show up when you press down on your item, so don't be alarmed if you put it on and you don't see the light. That's okay. It normally just pops up once you press down to let you know that it's functioning. So I have my bolts in here in my sealing bag, and we're going to just take it and put it under the base on top of the strip, and then we're going to press down, and in just less than 2 seconds your bag is sealed. So there you go, simple and really something that can be done in less than a minute. That's why I love this sealing machine so much, because it gets so much work done in such little time. So if you are a reseller of masala, jeera, peas, you have your different spices, even your dried fruits, maybe even candy, you do local candy and you sell back. This is something definitely that I advise you to go with. The sealing machines are going to save you a lot of time and also get a lot of work while making it so easy to seal your packages for resale. Now remember, we are located at 31 High and Hatfield Street, right behind Parliament Building, and you can shop online for one of these sealing machines via our website. The information is right below, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Silvie's Industrial Solutions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video.